Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Xfinity app on your Samsung Smart TV. You just need to go ahead and download this from the App Store. Come here and click on sign in, right? And you can do this through two ways. You can do it either on the web or scan the QR code. And then it'll give you a code which you can go ahead and use to activate your device. Okay, and then just go ahead and sign in. And you will have access to Xfinity, right? Very easy and simple. If you don't know how to download the app, let me just explain to you what you need to do. So you just go and press the Smart Hub on your Smart Control remote to go to the Samsung home screen. Go ahead and select Apps, scroll down there and select the magnifying glass icon and just enter Xfinity Stream using the keyboard. Search for that. When you find that app, select it and choose download. And once the installation is complete, go ahead and open it up just like this. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.